Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a teal blue smoky eye. We're going to start out with the blue from the Claries palette, and we're going to take that and use it as our crease color. And I kind of, thought it would be cute to do this, but I usually use like a brown color in the crease, but this time I wanted to switch it up. Now I'm going to be taking a brown color and I'm going to be applying it to the crease as well, kind of, make it look a little bit of wearable at the same time. But if you do not want to use brown, you can continue to use like a blue or a teal, it's up to you. So I'm just going to take the blue and I'm going to apply, I'm going to be taking the brown, I'm going to continue to apply up into the blue and kind of blend out those harsh lines. Now it's time to do our cut crease, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige, and I'm going to be cutting the crease today. And with the BH Cosmetics Malibu palette, this is from their California collection. I'm going to be taking that dark blue, I'm going to be applying it into the outer V. Then I am going in with that teal color, and I'm going to be playing right next to the blue that we just applied. To use this angle brush because it allows blending to be so much easier. And I'm going to be taking that darker green, but it has a little bit more shimmer. And I'm going to be applying it to the inner corner. And you're going to need to apply a gorgeous, when I say gorgeous, like gorgeous, okay, this is just a gorgeous highlight. You need to take like a vanilla color or a creamy yellow color, and it just suits the look. Like to apply some liner. You can apply any liner you want. I like to use a pencil, a cream eyeliner, and a gel, but I felt like this one from Diamond Cosmetics is perfect for this look. I'll have the video linked below where I did a review of the Diamond Cosmetics retractable eyeliner. And after that, I'm going to apply my X-Lash mascara. I love this mascara. It's the Bay. And then I'm going to attempt to apply some lashes on camera, but it always fails. So I'm just going to apply the other lash, you know, off camera. Alright. So now I'm going to be applying concealer. I did my foundation. I'm wearing the BB cream from Kiss Cosmetics, and I try to get a little bit creative here, but I try to get a little bit creative. To my lips was apply my favorite lip liner that I use to do my brows, and then I apply the LA Girl lipstick and Snuggle, and then I'm taking a Black Radiance highlighter and I'm going to apply it to my face and give my face some glow. Everyone, welcome back to another video. I want to show y'all my necklace really quickly. Like, oh my gosh, look at this. I love this necklace. So amazing. It's like me. It's huge.